Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another Nextraker video, and since the holidays are pretty much in full effect right now, I thought I'd Xmas up my current gaming setup. But before I show you guys a few modifications that I did, let's get to the giveaways. And right now I'm about to announce two winners. The first winner will get a brand new gaming chair from Elect Wish. And at random I picked Instagram as the source where the winner will come from, and since comment picker wasn't really working properly for me, I just randomly chose a winner. So congratulations Jigglypuff Lola, you will be getting an awesome Elect Wish gaming chair. See guys, it does pay off to follow me and Elect Wish on Instagram. Now I want to announce the winner of a slime making kit. Congratulations Trickshot Boys, you will be getting a slime making kit in the mail very soon. And guys, this giveaway was made possible because we did reach a 5,000 like goal in my previous video, and all the thanks in the world go to you guys, my awesome fans. Let's see if we can reach the like goal for this video. Let's shoot for 50,000 likes, and if we reach that like goal before 2020 ends, I will send the winner a brand new PlayStation 5 and a curved monitor. And to enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me what holiday is your favorite and why. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as I also have some giveaways happening on there as well. One last thing pranksters, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and becoming members of this channel. It really does help and support the content that I put out, so I really do appreciate all that help. Alright, enough begging, let's get this video going. Check it out. So you guys know that over the summer I built my dream gaming setup, right? Well, I was quarantined for over a month after catching COVID-19, so I had to keep busy. So the end result was this epic gaming station, which of course I was very happy with and overall very proud of. But once the Halloween season hit, I made a few modifications to go along with one of my favorite holidays. Not only did I introduce you guys to Wolfu and Miss Steffi, but I also made the room look more Halloweeny. I hung up my Haunted Woods tapestry surrounded by RGB lights. On the ceiling I hung up some ghosts, witches and bats. Most of the stuff that I used to decorate my game room studio I did purchase at my local Dollar Tree. My secondary gaming station also got an upgrade. In the time since my Halloween gaming setup, I went from having a PlayStation 4 gaming station to now having an Xbox Series S gaming station, which by the way consists of an electric rising desk and of course my Elect Wish gaming chair. So yeah guys, I was pretty content with all my Halloween decor. But guess what? It's already been over a month since Halloween happened and I have yet to update my setup, so we'll be doing that right now. So my spooky Halloween decor has to go. It really didn't take me long to get rid of those Halloween decorations, although I gotta say that the most annoying part was pulling off the spider webs from the acoustic panels. I even took off LSA's Halloween mask. And don't worry, by the end of this video he will be looking a little bit more Christmassy. Before I started adding any new gadgets or decor, I had to make sure that the room was clean and spotless, so a little cleaning up and picking up was in order. I'm just not a big fan of cleaning, that's why I always try to keep things in place. Although I really did love my Halloween tapestry, I always knew that it would only be temporary. Its replacement really caught my eye. I bought this green Merry Christmas tapestry from Amazon. It was the largest that I could find, and for this I only paid 32 bucks, which I didn't think it was that bad or too pricey, so I could definitely live with it. The frame around it is the original that I put together from white foam board, and recently the RGB lights that used to be there I had to remove for another video, so now I'm left without RGB lights. But that was only momentarily because Novastella had me covered. Not only did I get these very cool smart LED floodlights, which I will set up in a bit, I also got 105 feet of light strips. Yeah, it is a lot of lights and I'm eager to unbox them, but first let's see what these smart LED floodlights are all about. Inside this box were two light panels which were ready to be plugged in. Along with these lights, there were two Wi-Fi transmitters which could easily be screwed on the top of each panel. Now guys, these floodlights are mainly used for outdoors, but they can also be used indoors, which is what I'll be doing. Not only are these waterproof, which is a plus, and like I said, they can be used outside, but you can also control them wirelessly with your phone or a smart assistant such as Alexa. My preference for turning on these lights is my phone, as I always have it with me. These work through Wi-Fi, so the setup is very simple, but you do need the Smart Life app to operate these lights. Luckily, I already had the app from previous Novastella products that I've used. Once I had full control of these lights with my phone, I can now change the colors, dim the lights, or set moods, and you'll see these in full effect after I set up my Novastella light strips. As I stated, this package has 105 feet of RGB lights. So let's open up the box and see what we get. In this package, we get 2 strip rolls of RGB lights, so divided 105 feet by 2, that's the length of each roll of lights. So I'll let you guys do the math for that one. In this box, we also get the remote control and the hookups that will help us turn on these lights. Check it out guys, although not recommended, I still plugged in the lights just to make sure that they are working properly before I started to place them around the frame of the tapestry. One thing you should also notice is that the whole strip is black, so it'll be quite noticeable on the white frame. I really love that Novastella uses 3M adhesive on all of their products, so I know that they will stick on very well on any surface that I choose to put them on. The idea here is to go around the frame clockwise, and if my math is right, I should be able to do that twice. Look at that guys, although a bit crooked, I'm still proud of my lights, and now they are ready. Just like the floodlights, I was able to use my Smart Life app to have full access of them. I'll be able to control its mood, brightness, and of course colors. If you don't have any smart devices or a phone, then you can just use the remote control that came in the box. Look at that guys, the floodlights help the tapestry stand out more, while the light strips add more color to the overall view. For about 70 bucks, you can get each box of Novastella lights. In the description, I'll have the links to all the products that you'll see in this video. If you guys have watched my live streams, which I know I haven't done in over a month, well you guys would have noticed that I typically use 2 cameras, and my main camera is this GoPro that you see right here. It's right above my Scepter 24-inch gaming monitor. Although I can't complain about the quality of the GoPro, sometimes I wish that it could be brighter. And yes, my nanoleaf panels do help with lighting, but there's nothing more like having a light source from behind the camera. Luckily, I recently got this ring light from Elect Wish. These typically go for 30 bucks, and if you ask me, I think it's a really sweet deal, especially considering all the accessories that you get. With this kit, you get a tripod which will let you place the lights pretty much anywhere you want. You also get a few device holders that you can choose from depending on your needs. These are mainly meant for phones, but a GoPro can easily be mounted on one of these. It varies the way that you set up this ring light. I myself went with 2 device holders placed in the center just in case I need to use both my phone and the GoPro at the same time. These easily mount on the ring light. I took the GoPro's original attachment and used that to hang up the ring light on the wall. The way that this light is powered is through a USB connection. This kit also comes with a Bluetooth remote, but I'll be using the remote attached to the USB cable. It'll just be more convenient for me. Now I'll be able to dim the lights with ease and use its brightness function whenever I need it. I can go from cold moods to warm moods in seconds, so overall this was the perfect investment for my live stream. As far as snacks, my mini fridge was running low on drinks. In fact, I was down to my last box of Kool-Aid pouches, and since I'm trying to avoid soda at the moment, I'll just stock up this fridge with some Gatorade bottles. Do you guys remember this little black carousel? This is my snack organizer and it's been empty for weeks now, and I don't plan on refilling it. In fact, I'm gonna remove it. I need the empty top of this filing cabinet for my next 2 gadgets. First, let me introduce you guys to this $20 Mixpresso 2-in-1 single cup coffee maker. With winter being here and having cold mornings at times, this coffee maker fits this setup really well. Inside, all we do is add our coffee, and my choice of coffee will be this Dunkin' Donuts original blend. Next to it is where the water is added. The cup that comes with this coffee maker can hold 14 ounces of coffee, definitely more than what I need. I went ahead and placed the coffee maker on top of the filing cabinet, plugged it in, and while the coffee was being made, it was now time to bust out my new $20 donut maker. Check it out guys, this is the Baby Cakes mini donut maker. I wasn't too happy with the yellow color because it doesn't go with my color scheme, but I can get away with it for now because there will be all kinds of colorful Christmas decorations by the end of this video. And so along with this, I also bought some quick donut mix. Chocolate and strawberry cheesecake were my options. This donut maker opens as if it was a waffle maker. I placed it next to the coffee maker, and after a few minutes, my donuts and coffee were ready. Just like I like them, warm and sweet. The perfect combo to get my gaming day started. Now it was time to start hanging up Christmas decor, and all these basic decorations I did buy at my local 99cents only store. Most of these are traditional stuff that we all know and love, and I really did love how everything came out. And there it is guys, my Christmas gaming setup for the next few weeks. I'll really enjoy shooting and editing videos here, and hopefully I get the chance to do a few live streams on Twitch as well. By the way guys, if you want to catch my next streams on Twitch, you might want to follow me on there. The link is in the description. Make sure not to miss out. And again guys, a friendly reminder, if this video gets 50,000 likes before 2020 ends, I will choose a winner, and that person will get a PlayStation 5 and a curved monitor to go along with it. And to enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. That is it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a happy 2021. I'll see you guys in my next video.